As an organisation working at the intersection of advanced manufacturing and technology, it is important that we protect our critical knowledge, manufacturing processes and infrastructure. Working with the National Protective Security Authority has increased our awareness of the threats, potential vulnerabilities, and importantly, to put in place mitigations to protect our most critical assets, from our staff through to our intellectual property. From our experience, they are a great partner who are genuinely here to help ensure all organisations working across the science, technology and critical knowledge sectors can operate as securely and safely as possible.